Hello there! Welcome to a calm and safe place to learn. Are you ready to learn and play together? Today, we're going to learn about numbers and counting. We'll count together from 1 all the way to 10 in a fun and easy way. Are you ready to learn and have fun? Let's get started. This is number 1. Can you say 1? Let's count together. 1 teddy bear. So cute, great start. Here comes number 2. Let's count together. Ready? 1, 2. Look, we have 2 shoes here. Nice counting. This is number 3. Let's try. 1, 2, 3. Now, we have 3 cookies. Good job. Say hello to number 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Look, we have 4 pencils. Awesome! This is number 5. High five! Let's count slowly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Look, 5 balloons. They're flying. Great work! Now we have number 6. Ready to count? Let's count slowly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Wow, 6 frogs. Nice. This is number 7. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yes, we have 7 hats. Cool hats. Here comes number 8. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We have 8 donuts. Sweet counting. This is number 9. Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Look, we have 9 cars. Vroom vroom. Great. And now, number 10. Big counting time. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Wow, we have 10 stars. Shiny, you did it. You did an amazing job counting from 1 to 10. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us again for more fun learning adventures. See you in the next video. Bye-bye, little learners.